Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. Tonight we're down here at Sydney Motorsport Park and we're here for a wet skid pan night, and we have the LS conversion convention. So we're going to rip it up. Let's do it.
was epic, man.
I got a few full links in that one. That was good.
Yeah, that was crazy good, man. To be honest, man, that was smooth as, man.
Jeez,
like,
man.
It was smooth enough for me to like get my phone out, start recording. Like, that was crazy, bro.
Well, we're the last people here at Sydney Motorsport Park. It's been a fantastic night. Thank you to the guys at Driving Sports for running the event. Thanks to also everyone else that came out. It was a private event, so massive thanks to those guys for allowing us to come to their event. Stoked with the car. This is the first time we've given it a proper shakedown. We did run it the other day at GDR Festival on the Motorcana, but this is kind of given it a proper test and tested the cooling system. Like at one point I was out there for over 10 minutes flat out on the car, and I think the hottest we saw was about 102 degrees on the coolant temp, so stoked with that. Scotty's tuning solid, thanks to Tuning Fork Scotty at Haltech. Thanks to everyone for their support, thanks to Valvoline, Spezbox, all the usual crew that have helped me get to this point. Yeah, the car wouldn't be where it is without you guys either. So thanks to everyone, thanks to our Patreons, thanks to you guys for watching the series. The car's definitely pushed me in different ways, both as a driver and as a builder. So yeah, it's cool to be able to develop those skills and grow, and hopefully you guys have picked up something as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.